Hello my lovely friends and welcome to my travel videos. I'm doing my third film underwater and today I want to film corals and fish. With my GoPro I switched to normal angel. Like you can see, it gets a little bit round in the back, but in the water it will be very nice. I hope. Enjoy. I have the GoPro Hero 3 Plus and I'm filming here with the selfie stick, and I turned the selfie stick around so I'm filming overhead so I can get the corals in a really beautiful angel. But afterwards, of course, I turn around the video that they are not standing ahead. This is the part where there is a lot of traffic in the water, but actually afterwards I found out there was a lot of traffic everywhere. The water is not 100% crystal clear, maybe because of the traffic, but I'm really happy with this footage, and I'm surprised how easy it is to film underwater. Of course you have to be a good swimmer. I think when you are filming underwater, it's also good sometimes to show what is above. And the advantage of a GoPro camera is that you can always go up and down whenever you want. Today I filmed the first time in the normal angel, not in narrow, but I think it's good over water. You can see it's a little bit round shaped. But for filming the corals, I think it is really good and I'm happy with the footage. It could be better when I would have a snorkel, but I didn't have. And there was always a shaking, but I cut it out because I always, every 10-15 seconds, I had to go up to breathe. There are the surfers in this direction in Puraran Beach and I'm swimming to them now. I'm always filming with 60 frames per second, and the fish is swimming quickly, and sometimes you have really short time to film the fish, so I can also do half speed and zoom a little bit, what you will see sometimes here, and so you get really good pictures. Now here is coming the first example when I switched to lower speed, so you can see this wimplefish, and it was only very short time, but now you had the advantage to get a really nice picture of it. Here is the next example. They passed by so quickly, but with half speed you get a really relaxing picture of them. Here I'm getting to the surfers, and what is also interesting is how it looks under the water, yeah. And this is why I wanted to show with this video. Look, they're sitting on their board, but above you can only see their heads and waiting for the waves.
I'm in white mode, so I have to come nearby to see something.
From now on it's even better. I hope you enjoy this video, and now with a little bit of music in this wonderful playground here for surfers, swimmers, divers. Well, there is no diving school, but snorkelers and so on. Now this was it for today, my lovely friends. I hope I could show you some proper experience about underwater filming, reefs, and I'm sure I can improve. This was only my third video I've ever done in my life, and I enjoyed it so much. It's hard to swim in this moving water with this high water traffic, but it's wonderful here in Puraran Beach. Thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and until the next video.